Alright guys, so I have my herbal hair mask in my hair, and I'm going to let it sit in my hair for about 2 hours. In the meantime, I'm going to do my skin routine and take care of some other personal business, while that's sitting on my hair. So I covered all of my hair, and this is about how much I have left. Alright, so I'm just going to put that on my edges because I already massaged it in my scalp. And I really got it good in my scalp and through my strands. Just gonna show you guys. Put it directly right here on my edges. And right here where my hair is very thin and falls out at. And then I like to make my hair go up and rub it on the back. But it's getting better, so starting to fill in more, like little fuzzy hairs are starting to come. And yeah, it's holding more moisture. Also, my hair is starting to hold more moisture. I noticed that after shampooing, it wasn't, the water held really well in my hair. And yeah, so this henna mask, you can see it's defining my hair, like it's soaking it up, it's eating it, it's enjoying it. So this is henna and fenugreek in there, in the mask, and avocado. And then also the oil, the herbal oil, is mixed inside of the mask. And I keep this frozen in the freezer till I'm ready to use it. I've had it since April. I made that batch, and I got about a few more left. So yeah, this will be available soon. It's gonna, help my hair not break off as much, prevent the shedding, help with growth, retention. As your hair grows, it sheds. So this will just help it. This will help with, like, if you have graying hair, the henna will tint your hair a little, a brownish color, to give it a youthful, rinses out very easily. It rinses out so easily. And yeah, because it rinses out easily, you don't need to shampoo afterwards. You should shampoo before, condition before, and then this will be your deep condition. And then you just rinse it out. And then style your hair as usual. Put the herbal oil in your hair afterwards and go on about your regular style. All right, shebeautiful2.com. Like I said, this is going to be available soon. All right guys, still getting that research for you guys, so you can trust me that this is going to help your hair. It's going to work if you're trying to go natural. Like, this is the purest form of natural you're going to get at this point. You know what I'm saying? Using real herbs, real oils that I made with all of my love and my heart and my time and effort. All right guys, bye. I'm your Instagram. Alright guys, so I just rinsed my hair, and this is my hair after rinsing my hair with the henna Fenugreek hair mask. This is my hair. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to use the herbal oil. Alright, that's what it looks like. I haven't shaken it up, so you want to shake it up when you get it. Alright, isn't that pretty? See the herbs? And then the fruited fenugreek. And then fenugreek in there, chilling out. So I'm going to shake it up. Look at that. Alright. Alright, so I'm just going to take this dropper and you just, everywhere in your hair, pop, 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 like that, just like that. Massage as you drop. Just keep massaging. Get you another drop full. Alright, and you can feel it on your scalp, alright? Now I'm going to get my edges. Really get up in here. That's where it thins at. And that's where the psoriatic dermatitis is. That's where it itches. So I really want to get this real good. Because I already put a thick product on there. And I want to make sure that my scalp is being treated and protected. Alright. So I do this every time I wash. I do a good oiling, and then I don't do it again for like another 4 days. And I'll just put a little bit. So a little bit goes a long way. Sometimes I do it once a week. It depends on what kind of hairstyle I have. But I make sure I oil it very, very good and massage it in. Really massage your temple. Massage your crown. Always massage. Alright. Thanks guys for watching.